Loin of venison, one of my favourite meats. Slightly gamey, absolutely delicious. It's packed with protein, low in cholesterol, and so it's like the Rolls-Royce cut. It's phenomenal. I'm going to cut it into 4.
Marinade, olive oil, salt, pepper.
Thyme is a very sort of dainty, soft, sweet herb, and it goes brilliantly with the rich gaminess of the venison.
Juniper berries.
The flavour is almost like a sort of rich, bittersweet, slightly peppery flavour.
Garlic.
Get the back of your knife on. Get the loin, place it on top.
Olive oil. Season.
Leave that to marinade, and that's ready for the pan. Cooking the venison, you've got to be a lot more delicate than you were if you were cooking a fillet of beef because it's very lean, hardly any fat on there.
Hot pan. Olive oil.
Keep on rolling it around. It should become nice and springy and slightly bouncy, and that indicates that it's slightly pink, but a little bit firm in the centre.
Butter.
Baste the venison, and then just take it out of the pan and just spoon it over there. Leave that to sit. Now for the sauce, we're going to do a really nice sweet and sour pepper. Red and yellow pepper. Just stand the pepper up on its base and just cut round like we're segmenting an orange. And look, you've got the seeds there, fit for the bin. Olive oil in, peppers into the pan, a little bit of salt, and by having the skin on the peppers, it doesn't allow the peppers to become too soft and overcooked. It keeps them really nice and robust.
Thyme.
This is where it gets really exciting. White wine vinegar. Smells amazing, but it starts to glaze the peppers. A couple of tablespoons of water in there. You've got this really nice, sweet and sour, peppery vinaigrette at the bottom. Peppers out.
Carve.
Nice, thick slices. And look, the juice is coming out of the peppers. A little bit of salt, just glaze the venison with some extra virgin olive oil. And there, look.
Venison with sweet and sour peppers, done.